In this video, I'll be covering how to get the linear equation for parallel and perpendicular lines. Let's begin. First, we have parallel line. We'll use the equation y is equals to 2x plus 1. So, as you can see here, it follows the format of y is equals to mx plus b. M being the slope, and b being our y-intercept. So to make a parallel, all you need to do is to copy the y is equals to mx part. So y is equals to 2x in our situation, and our intercept can be anything I want. So I could say y is equals to 2x plus 100, I could say y is equals to 2x minus 100, or I could even say y is equals to 2x, just that. All three of these are equal to y equals 2x plus 1, they're all parallel. So typically a test will end there. It will ask you, I want an equation that's parallel to this equation, and it passes through a certain point. So we can start off easy. Let's go with 0, 0, the origin. So I'll copy dy equal mx again. So y is equals to 2x plus b. We don't know what the b is yet. So insert the x and the y values. So 0 and 0. So y is equals to 0, x is equal to 0, so 2, 0 plus b. So 0 is equal to 0 plus b, b has to equal to 0. So that means our new equation that's parallel and goes through the point 0, 0 is just y is equal to 2x. Now we can try again. So let's try, it has to pass to point 2, 3. So y is equal to 2x plus b again. So y is equal to 3 in this point. So let's just write this. So 3 is equals to x is equals to 2, so 2 times 2 plus b. So that would be 3 is equals to 4 plus b. b has to be negative 1, so our new equation will be y is equals to 2x minus 1. To prove everything I've just said, let's use our original equation. Y is equals to 2x plus 1. Now if I just change the value of b, as you can see, no matter what, it stays parallel to the original equation. Now if I want to make it pass to point 2, 3, using the answer from before, y is equals to 2x minus 1, as you can see, it passes through the point perfectly while staying parallel to the original line. Now let's talk about perpendicular lines. So to produce a perpendicular equation, let's use y is equals to 2x plus 1. So all we gotta do is to interact with the slope. So our 2 here. If it's a positive, make it a negative. If it's negative, make it a positive. And the number, inverse it. So what that means is that y is equals to positive become negative, and 2 is just 2 over 1. So inverse that, that will equals to 1 over 2. So negative 1 over 2x plus whatever b you want it to be. So let's give it another try. So let's go with y is equals to negative 4x plus 2. Y will equal to negative become positive, positive, 4 become 1 over 4x plus 2, or plus whatever you want. Now I wanted to pass through a certain point again, so let's use y is equals to 2x plus 1 again, and I wanted to pass through point 0, 0. To do that, we got to change the y equals to mx part, so y is equals to negative 2 become 1 over 2x plus b. So y is equals to 0 and x equals to 0 plus b. So 0 is equals to 0 plus b, b is equals to 0 again. So our equation will be y is equals to negative 1/2 x. That is perpendicular to y is equals to 2x plus 1. Let's try again. So let's just say I want to go through point 2, 4 this time. So we'll go through the same process. So y is equals to negative 1/2 x. This time substitute y is equals to 4, x is equals to 2. So negative 1/2 times 2 plus b. So it will be 4 equals negative 1 plus b. b will be equals to 5. our equation will now be y is equals to negative 1/2 x plus 5. To prove everything again, we're going to go on decimals. Here is our original equation, y is equals to 2x plus 1. To make it perpendicular, make the slope negative if positive, positive if negative. So in our situation, we're turning a positive 2 into a negative 2. And we're turning the 2 into an inverse. So 2 over 1 becomes 1 over 2. So negative 1/2 x. And b, it can be whatever it wants, as you can see here. So now I wanted to pass through point 2,4, just like the question before. And our answer was y is equals to negative 1/2 x plus 5. As you can see here, by substituting x and the y value from the graph, we were able to get the answer that the line will pass through point 2,4 while staying perpendicular to the original equation of y is equals to 2x plus 1.